To replace an ADF roller on an HP 6500 or 6508 printer, that would also be for any J6400 printers, we're going to open the ADF unit and lift the tab here on the left over here. Kind of have more space. Now what we're going to do is, it's very simple. We're going to push this towards us. So if it was closed, it's down, so it's like this here. This handle right here with the gear is out, and now we're going to press this tab away, push it away, and then pop this open like so. Now this one is out. When you're putting a new one in this position here with these two bigger ones that go back and forth on this side. So like this here, and then we're gonna snap it in here like that. And don't forget to put this in. One thing that you want to make sure is sometimes this plastic piece comes off with it, sometimes it'll stay in there. So in our case, it came out with the bar. Sometimes it's sold with this plastic piece or without. So make sure, if it's without, make sure you use yours. It's easy to take it off like so, and then it comes off. So you're gonna put it back in there, make sure it spins, and you're just gonna push it in to its space. See how that's facing here? Snaps right in. You're gonna test it by going down, both rollers going. So we're all good to go. Let's go ahead and close it, and you're all set.